Hi, this is Nissim. We are now in a series of ComfyUI tips, and today tips is how to work with lots of nodes, and you want to put more order using groups. Okay, what is a group? Group is a way to select multiple elements, pressing Ctrl G for group, and it will lock it in its own boundary, and you can drag them in one chunk. You can double click on the name of the group and set it sampler 1, okay? And you can do it for each one of them, okay? You can just select it and do the action. If you will click on the group itself and delete it, it will just delete the group. So it's very easy to add and remove them. Okay, you can do it in another way by selecting it, right-click outside the nodes and do add group. Okay, and let's call it sampler 2. Okay, now this is, as you see, it's much more hard to do it in that way. And then you just catch it and drag it. And now everything inside will be inside that group. Another way to work with group, anything that is going inside the group will be inside the group. Okay, you don't need to edit, you don't need to say you are inside or whatever. You just stretch the group. Now, if I will right click on the group, okay, and I will do fit group to node, it will just make it as smaller as possible. Okay, if I want to take a thing outside the group, I will just select them and drag them out. And now they are not inside. Okay, so again, right click and fit. Good. Now, the good thing about groups, and not only the tidy, is that I can right click on the group itself and I can make all the group to be bypassed, for example, or I can select the group and make it set group node to never. So it's like muted, technically. Never is muted. So I can do it on the entire group, which is very, very comfortable. Okay? And this is a very easy way to work with groups, and it will make your UI, if you have a very big workflow, it will make it much more tidier and easy to manage. I can just take it and drag it, and I don't need to each time to select everything. Now, you also can give different colors for the group, like we do for any other component. You see, I can give it green. So I can go to group, right click, edit group, color, and give it, let's say, blue. Okay. Now, because we are here on the bypass, we bypass the group, we can right click and make it to always, and that's it. Now you see that the color is different. Okay, I can select this one as well, give it a different color, let's say purple. And now I can, even if I have multiple groups, I will know exactly what they are and how to work with them with color that I will set to my thing. It's much easier to control. That's it. Subscribe and like the video if you like it. Bye.